Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the delivery types condition in our Cart Lock app. Now open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Delivery Types option. Now select the delivery types, which you want to block. For example, I selected shipping. Almost done. Now give your rule a name. This name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers will see this when the rule is triggered at the checkout page. So make it simple and clear. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's go to the checkout page, select Delivery Types Shipping, and you may need to fill up the shipping information. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because we selected shipping as a delivery types, which we want to block and set it in our condition. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!